This year, I was given the chance to visit again after 5 years. One of the most beautiful places in the world, Australia. It is the home of the famous Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House was made a UNESCO World Heritage Site on June 28, 2007. It is one of the 20th century's most distinctive buildings and one of the most famous performing arts centers in the world. Dito rin matatagpuan ang mga well-loved animals, ang kangaroo, koala bear, and the kookaburra bird.
Australia is a country in the southern hemisphere comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It is the world's sixth largest country by total area. The Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, and New Caledonia to the northeast and New Zealand to the southeast. Australia has 6 states: New South Wales, Queensland, South Australia, Tasmania, Victoria, and Western Australia. The name Australia is derived from the Latin Australis, meaning southern. The country has been referred to colloquially as Oz since the early 20th century, and Aussie is a common term for Australian. Canberra is its capital and Sydney is their largest city. They use the English language but with a distinctive Australian accent. Their currency is the Australian dollar. Australia is always referred as the land down under because in a northern hemisphere point of view, it is located under the equator. Hello! Nandiyan na pala kayo. Welcome to another episode of Popstar Diaries. This time, I will take you to a journey of my very special Australia concert. Ayan, very special love. So, ayan. At watch out, meron akong dalawang friends na gusto yata maging co-hosts natin. At kilalang-kilala natin sila at malapit sila sa aking puso.
Hindi natin makaalis ngayon. Ano ba mangyayari ngayon? Excited pa mo naman sa forma ko.
Sydney na Sydney.
Winter na to eh.
Salamat, attorney.
Hi guys, we're now at board on our way to Sydney, Australia. And it's already, well, Manila time is 3:20. So should be mga around mga 1:05 ng campus natin.
Yan po si Jonathan Delegado, si Sir Jay. Yan po si Sir Jay. Sir Jay po may karapatan ng mga lahat ng bagay dito. Yan po. Ito nga first po ni Sarah. Po na natulog.
Muna ko si Mark.
And this is Mark Bautista. Say hi to the Popsters.
Hi, Popsters. Alam sa iyo.
So anong feeling mo naman dito ka nakaupo? Anong feeling mo dito ka nakaupo?
Well, salamat Tita Divine na na-experience ko. Ang mga mani, ang chichirya.
That's Evelyn.
Alam niyo ba, buti nangyari sa amin. Buti pang hindi matuloy ang flight sana. But of course, kasi alam ko, Sir Jay, hindi joke lang.
Diba, nagkaroon lang po ng manumal niya sa sitting arrangement. That's why, as you see kanina, si Mark, nakaupo kay Sir Candy. Right beside me. Pero may additional naman kami $50 each kasi nasa special seat kami.
Sweldo mo dyan.
Hi, Sarah.
Hello! Excited na. Balita ko malamig na po sa Australia. Sana maraming plano talaga. Pinoy na makanood kahit na malamig yung weather, ganyan. Tapos, in a few hours, nadating na rin kami. Mami.
May time ba kayo mag-tour ni Mami at ni Daddy?
Wala. Wala, hindi nakapag-extend. Expansion. Pero ako kailangan is makakapagpili pa agad. Si Mark ko yung interview niya.
Na-interview ko.
Na-interview niya.
Na-interview ko na rin. Oo. note bago kong work.
Ba na-interview nila?
Ako ang nag-i-interview sa kanila ngayon. That's my new job.
Additional.
Okay, bye ka na. Say bye. Bye, Mommy. Bye po kayo sa Popsters.
Yung mga ginalaw eh.
Kamusta naman ang merienda nyo?
Sarap po ano no?
Kamusta na? Like yun dun sa iba-iba yung na-eye ko. Yun na on. Oh, Teacher Giselle! Ito na po ang bago kong work. Hi po kayo sa Popsters.
Hello, Popsters.
Ayan, Teacher Giselle.
Hello, Jacob. In the house or in the plane? Hi! You are so there. Yeah. I was just here. Kanina, there's a party pala here. Yeah. Of course, it's a party. There are invited guests.
First time yata ito na nakasama namin si Teacher Jercel sa concert namin abroad. So, nagtutuksuhan pa na parang, swerte daw si Miss Jercel kasi mas okay daw na siya kesa si Kuya Angel, yung husband ni Miss Jercel. Pero syempre, joke lang yan at lambingan. We're here na sa Sydney, Australia. At nahintay na po namin yung mga luggages namin. At hintay na yung sundo. Dala ng hotel. Tapos, ayun, so ang gagawin po yung interview na sa hotel na lang. Ayun. May cool breeze lang, medyo windy ng konting-konti lang. Tama-tama lang yung weather. Hindi malamig, hindi malamig, hindi mainit. Sa umaga, parang Pinas. Parang States. Ang lamig! Ano naman natin si Ate Evelyn?
Kain na tayo niyan. Ice cream. Sarap. Stage. Sabi niya, Bella, Angela. Hindi. Pero ba ako, narinig ko yung pinigin pepper niya lang. Ha? Sino ng pepper? Nahirapan pa ako mag-English sa'yo. Halika nga. Pilipina ka pala. Lalagyan mo pa ako ng ng accent. Halika nga dito. Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Akala namin, siya, parang Vietnamese or hindi Pilipina, yung Indonesian, ganyan. Pero Pinay naman pala kasi nag-i-English siya. Tapos parang siya may accent na iba. So akala namin hindi siya Pilipina. Tapos yung pala, yung mga dalawang, ayun, nung matatapos ng dinner namin, Pilipina pala siya, nalaman namin na Pilipina. Ano bang pera dito, Ate?
Ano nga ba? Australian dollars. Tama lang. Para lang nasa aircon, ka.
Hello! Sydney!
Wala na sa Philippines yun eh.
Ano ka?
Lahat.
Alam mo,
Hindi naman ako kay Sir.
Oo.
Lahat, bilhin mo to!
Gusto mo ba yan? Dito yung 10 niyan.
Ito! Sir